You want some of my water? It's a waggy tail.
See, he does have a really good personality. It's just hard to see it at the shelter.
That's good.
He's like, I know there's something out there.
It's a waggy tail. Delicious. It's so delicious, huh? Say hi, everybody. What? What?
Oh, you didn't your knee hurt? No?
Hmm?
Your knee?
What a happy puppy.
He's like, can you just give me that one right there?
And then you get soup and you splash water on that said area. You've now spread it to the rest of the area and forced it into the skin. So yeah, oil breeds oil. Always remember that. I don't care if it's olive oil or whatever you have on your sink. Yeah, I've given a particular
Hi.
tip to a girlfriend.
Hi.
Exactly what I told me not to do.
It's a long video.
I told you drop perfume now. You put it on his. Drop perfume now. Somehow that and corn dogs. I don't know.
I use my
And it had something to do with that. And I'm like,
Mercy, just forget the pets. Just give me the treats.
coming back to me
I
now.
know you got it.
That was your favorite rinse to the sink. And I go, oh my gosh. See, everything's on fire.
He's a search and rescue dog.
Here's my phone.
On the search and rescue. I found him. The cutest little.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, it's like a little fox. There you go.